Hello, and thank you for joining us for another in-depth but easy-to-follow top vacuum cleaner recommendation list. We know that you live a busy life and don't have the time to dedicate to searching for the best vacuums on the market, which is why we did it for you. Our team at Show Home Style have spent countless hours researching and analyzing the top 100 vacuum cleaners available on the market today, and we've also scrutinized many customer reviews to bring you the best vacuum cleaners this year. Our final rankings are based on the type of vacuum, quality, practicality, and value for money. If you choose from our recommended list of models, you can be sure that you're buying a great vacuum. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started.
It's the complete transformation of the upright vacuum, the Shark rotator-powered lift-away. It's an upright with powerful no loss of suction and advanced swivel steering for incredible maneuverability around furniture and tight corners. It's a lift-away for super lightweight portable cleaning above the floor, on furniture, ceiling fans, and cabinets. But Shark didn't stop there. With the rotator, they solved a problem that stopped other uprights dead in their tracks: furniture. No more bending over, no more back-breaking cleaning, no more moving furniture, and no more leaving dirt behind. The rotator-powered lift-away can reach it all. The secret behind the rotator is its ability to deliver power to drive the brush roll when you go into lift-away mode. Power travels through the hose, down the pole, and right to the power head. Now you can reach the tightest spaces in your home, all while the cleaning head is still powered, continuing to drive the roller brushes deep into the carpet, providing deep down cleaning that never stops. Then simply reattach the canister. There has never been a vacuum that could do that. The Shark Rotator's power, versatility, and durability also make it the ultimate pet vacuum. And more importantly, the rotator keeps the pet dander, dust, and allergens locked inside. In fact, the rotator-powered lift-away's Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology locks in 99.99% of dust and allergens, keeping them in the vacuum and out of the air you breathe, making the rotator an absolute must-have in homes with allergy and asthma sufferers, young children, or pets. Go online for yourself and see all the 5-star reviews of the rotator-powered lift-away from real Shark owners. It's no wonder J.D. Power ranked Shark highest in the nation in customer satisfaction 2 years in a row. More reach, more versatility, more performance, more cleaning power. The Shark Rotator Powered Liftaway.
Shark's next-generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M cleaner head, which actively removes hair wrap from the brush roll. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.